Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. Got a 2016 Rmz250. From the looks of the cases, I assume it's got a lot of hours on it. The kid I bought it from just rides, and he bought it from the kid that raced it, and ran good. I took it out and rode it up and down the trail for a good stint. Really makes good strong power. It started up really great cold, which usually indicates the valves aren't blowing by or anything like that. So really it's in pretty decent shape. Pretty much stock bike, stock silencer. Everything looks good. Like I said, when I rode it, the brakes worked well, the shifting worked well, everything was clean. So don't know how many hours are on it, but I don't think they're hard hours, and I don't think it's been ridden hard or abused or anything. I did see it's got these arc breakaway levers on it, Renthal bars, but other than that, I'd say it looks like a stock bike. Everything seemed to be working good. The rims are nice and straight. Didn't see any leaking issues with the fork seals or anything else. Oh, I left that bag in the truck, but there is a spare shock spring, so somebody must have put a either heavier or lighter shock spring in the stock one is in the bag, or vice versa. So whoever buys the shock gets two springs, so they can play with that. Let me choke it here. Let me get it going. Good power. Doesn't smoke even on startup. Good bike. Let us know if you need parts off of it. So seems like a good solid bike, should be good solid parts. I think these Rmz250s were pretty similar. This one's a 16. I'll mark on the parts what they fit from year to year. Remember, subscribe down below to see what else we're taking apart. You can check our Facebook page or our eBay site to see what we've got listed for sale. Hopefully we can help keep your costs down on riding and get these parts out there in the world. Thanks for watching. Thanks for buying.